Well, today we're gonna see how long this wheel lasts once we put a new tube in it before we put this sucker on. The guy that sold us the mini truck just gave us this, so heck yeah. I can't wait to put this thing on. Are you gonna taco that wheel?
I'm gonna attempt to break it however I can. I don't know if tacoing it, I think the spokes will go before that happens.
I guess I've never seen like spokes fall out.
So like when I go and it breaks, I'm gonna stop really, really fast.
You're gonna do an endo. Put the, I wanna see how the GoPro works on that thing.
I had to improvise. Make a GoPro mount. Looks good, just screw it into the airbox like that.
Tire's already gone.
There's only like 6 spokes holding it on now. Oh! Oh! Oh my God. Oh, this is dangerous. Oh, there it is. Oh, come on. You gotta make it. Come on. Come on. Ow! Look at the clutch, smoking. We're gonna need a new clutch. Oh. This thing is a tank though, it just went right through that. Front wheel didn't make it. Rolls nice too. That is the hardest that anybody has ever gone. I'm sure of it on this drift truck. Oh, I broke the selfie stick right off, that's what happened. They get all dirty.
Yeah, you can tell you're trail riding with a chest mount on.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
You got an X on your back.
X, triple X. I'm more like a single X. That wasn't that extreme.
You had to be at least a double X.
Dude, let's do it.
Alright. So choppy choppy.
Yeah, basically.
Weldy weldy.
I want to take the thing out, the fork out, and see if that actually fits in there.
Yeah.
I want to see if that
For
works.
sure, yeah.
Because we can use this. That'd be helpful. Bars aren't on yet, but
Almost. We just gotta weld this thing on here. I'm probably gonna put shoes on for this.
it's a good idea. It is strange looking, but it's definitely beefier.
Stranger.
And beefier.
This thing is sick.
This is...
Fun.
What is that?
That's my back brake. I just need a longer cable, and I'll probably mount it on the left side. But it's sweet. If you're
Oh,
going,
you have one of those throttles.
If you're going perfectly straight and you just tap that thing, you just.
We're going. Whoa, 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 we're going crooked.
Grip it and rip it. What?
No gripping and rip it.
Sad face. We just gotta get the bars on and then it'll be good to go.
Yo!
This will be a little less conductive than my finger. That freaking hurt. That's why my hair is so messed up. Watch your throat. Watch your face.
It's so crazy.
Whoa! You seen that, right?
Yeah. What in the world?
It like I went past the mill, so it started shooting off that way.
Dude, it's a firework machine.
Night. I wish there was a planet night, but there's no planet night.
Dude. Come on, we got the new front end on. It's all sweet looking. There's PVC.
In the back of the mini truck.
Got the PVC on the tires. Now we gotta go take it for a rip, but it's dark out. This is gonna be sweet.
It's a bit dark. I can fix that. I got it. I got it, Germ. I can't do anything with that.
hard.
This thing works good, huh? This front
Yeah,
tire.
the front,
steer's
dude,
good, too.
the brakes are nice. Way better than the other ones.
I like to delegate. You
Why?
guys are gonna lift it. What makes it better? Oh man, that lifts
Careful
us
on
from.
that exhaust.
Well, I feel like it's more agile for sure.
Test cruise in the dark, complete.
Like my steering was better than your old steering, but not better than this steering.
Is that how you stop?
Just a rear brake, yeah.
Wow. You ain't going nowhere with these brakes applied. Version 2 of our drift trike is done. Later in this week we'll be able to test it during the day. But I think it looks pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And now we got PVC thanks to Alan. So that's awesome. This is Alan's unit. We'll talk more about that in that later video also. But if you guys like the drift trike content, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.